Now, types of brass. Okay, so first one is the alpha brass, second one is the beta brass, and third one is the alpha beta brass, and fourth one is leaded brass. What are they are having? If we talk about the alpha brass, then it contains less than 35% of zinc. So the zinc content is restricted up to 35%. Okay, and you could say the less than 35%, then it is in alpha brass. Okay, highly ductile. Okay, and used for the cold working. Okay, so they are having the highly ductile. So ductility is increased. It means their toughness will also increase, and their stability will also increase. We talk about the beta brass, then it has a content of 35 to 45% zinc. So in beta brass, that we are having the limitation, that is from 35 to 45% of zinc that is incorporated inside into the parent metal material, which is copper. Okay, so it is stronger and harder, suitable for the hot working. Okay, now here alpha beta brass both are exist together, so it is known as, name is duplex, a mix of alpha and beta phases, offering the balance of strength and ductility. So this is a special case of alpha and beta where we mixed both of them together so that we can enhance the ductility and the strength. Okay, so I have already made that according to our purpose, our requirement, our the final goal, that we design the material, right? So everything depends on the material performance. Whatever the things that engineer designs, that all depends on the material ability. If you are going to design something, that must have, suppose you are making a component, suppose machine component, right? So that machine has a life of revolving around some things around 1000, and but you need you know more than 1000. What does it mean? It means you need to decrease the load so that they're in the the rotation will increase, or the other way, if your material is more sustainable to bear the load, and along with that they are able to revolve more. So every part of designing depends on the material's properties. If you are having the material and you cannot change the material, you okay, then you have a restriction, then you have a constraint, that you cannot extend the limit of that particular your design, because you have a certain amount, a certain properties of that particular material that is going to be used in your final design. Okay, in that case, so why we are studying the material science? Just because, so the engineers could not have a limited scope of the materials that they are going to use. So day by day that we could elaborate, that we could go into the details so that we can enhance the properties of material, so that our design would be very efficient. Okay, that is the main purpose. So everything depends on your mechanical properties that you are concerned about. Okay, according to that we try to mix the things in a different way. Okay, so if we talk about the leader brass, then the contains a small percentage of the lead for the improvement of machinability. So what is the brass that you have, in which we are allowing some other element which is in the lead, so that we could have the good machinability property that we could get from the brass. Okay.